TechBrite has a rich history with over 30 years in the lighting business. In 1996, a local manufacturer purchased TechBrite and subsequently sold the business to Brett Heekin and David Brown in 2009. TechBrite has always leveraged its engineering capabilities to provide industry-leading technologies. TechBrite's beginnings started with producing a superior retrofit kit for troffers and industrial strip fixtures. TechBrite was so early to the market, many distributors were unsure how the new technology worked. We like to say TechBrite was making retrofit kits before retrofit kits were cool. TechBrite and the industry have come a long way since those early days of explaining what a retrofit kit was and how it could save time, energy, and money. We're so much more than a retrofit company now. Oh sure, we still sell retrofit kits, but these aren't your grandfather's retrofit kits. How about integrated controls? How about programmable events? And some of the highest lumen per watts in the industry. So how did we do it? From just 3 employees to over 40 employees, many here, some across the US. How did TechBrite become a lighting industry leader with breakthrough results in quality-oriented solutions? When Brett and David purchased the business, they had a vision to make TechBrite more than a retrofit company. In particular, they wanted to design, manufacture, and sell high-quality, energy-efficient fixtures. That's right, we sell fixtures. Going from 3 categories of fluorescent fixtures in 2009 to thousands of fixtures listed on the DLC website in 2018. Last year alone, TechBrite rolled out over 10 new product lines, all installer friendly, all economical, and all built and assembled with pride in our Cincinnati, Ohio plant. We believe in our people. We cherish the rich experience, skills, and uniqueness each employee brings to the company. We have a saying around TechBrite, it's don't be sorry, be better. We believe mistakes are gifts and opportunities to be better. Oh, and we believe in having fun. Life happens, but we still have fun. We still play with our company mascots. We still laugh, because after all, it's okay to be an industry leader and still be a little weird.
Be better!